Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khushbu Ankit Gandhi and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. Now I have a sheet mask fetish. I mean, if I'm scrolling on Nykaa or if I'm in a shop and I see a sheet mask, I have to buy it. So just like that, in my collection of sheet masks, I have recently added this Revitalift sheet mask from L'Oreal. So I have tried a lot of sheet masks from L'Oreal before. I think a lot of them are also on my YouTube channel. The reviews are there on my channel. And then I saw this one, so I had to give in to my urge, so I just got this one. And the agenda of this video is going to be that I'll try this sheet mask and I will just share the instant results with you people, so that you know it can just make you better purchasers and you do not just spend money like me. So basically sometimes I feel कि मैं समाज सेवा कर रही हूँ. I just keep spending my husband's money so that I can help you guys make better decisions. So just for that, do subscribe to my channel. The L'Oreal people are claiming that it has the power of one essence bottle in one mask. अब कौन सा essence ये मुझे नहीं पता. And okay, so yeah, this has got a skin active brightening essence which will visibly improve the radiance of your skin. It also has volcanic spring water which has micronutrients which will again make your skin more radiant and smooth. So the ultimate objective of this sheet mask is that your skin is going to look a lot more brightened up and radiant and clear basically. Alright, so unlike the last L'Oreal mask that I tried, usme na pura you had to convert the gel into the sheet mask, then let it soak and then apply it. Isme serum pehle se mila hua hai. It's not a freshly mixed mask. And it is blue in color. So I don't know if it's blue in color या इसके ऊपर एक sheet लगा हुआ है. And also I cannot see any serum dripping. मतलब ये हल्का सा बहुत देर बाद I have seen a drop coming out of it. And I really like this quality about sheet masks. I just hate those sheet masks जिनको निकालो and they are just dripping their sticky serum everywhere. So now we are supposed to remove this blue protective film. Ki ho gaya. Did I do this whole thing in reverse? Oh my god. Holy mother of god. मैंने इस मास्क को उल्टा लगा दिया था. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. ऐसा हो जाता है कभी कभी. So I'll just apply it again. This mask is actually very thin. It's very thin. मतलब it is just stuck onto my face like anything. और मुझे बिल्कुल भी कोई ऐसा feel नहीं हो रहा कि you know it is ऐसे गिर रहा है या कुछ भी हो रहा है. No, it's not moving a lot, which is a good thing. 15 minutes are up, and although it was not at all like difficult to keep this mask, I do feel the eye area could have been cut out better. क्योंकि मतलब आप देख सकते हो that it is completely उठा हुआ है वो. I think the reason why this is happening is कि यहाँ पर ना cuts नहीं है. अगर शीट मास्क में यहाँ पर कट होता है so it settles beautifully, but because there is no cut, this area I felt was a little problematic. And now I'll remove it. Okay, so not much of serum is left over here, which means that my skin has absorbed quite a lot of serum, which is evident. You know, my hand is like just slipping. इतना ज़्यादा serum है मेरे face पे. There's one very important thing that I want to share with you guys is कि जब मैंने ये mask लगाया, after 5 to 7 minutes, I started feeling a little hot sensation on this area. है ना. It was not a burning sensation and it did not increase with time. मतलब मैंने सोचा था कि अगर ये sensation बढ़ जाएगा then I'll remove the mask immediately. But nothing like that happened. There was this little hot sensation which was there, or it was there throughout. I don't see any kind of rash or anything like that developing on my face, but yeah, this is what I felt. And ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा ना हो, but yeah, this is what I felt on my skin, and I want to share every information with you people. Even right now when I have removed the mask, these cheekbones थोड़ा सा कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. I can sense that. I do have a lot of serum on my face, and if I check what's inside, क्योंकि according to them they have one full bottle of serum, तो काफ़ी सारा serum आप देख सकते हो अभी भी है. So ideally you cannot use so much serum in one go. I'll just put it back. इतना सारा serum नहीं लगा सकते आप. So the best way is that you can have like a transparent bottle and you can transfer the entire serum in that and you can use it on daily basis. मतलब in one go इतना सारा serum अपने face पे लगाना, I don't think it's feasible or it's necessary. And now ideally I should slightly massage my face so that the serum can be absorbed, but I'll not do that because of the hot sensation I'm feeling, and I'll just let it sit on my face, let it absorb, and then I'll share how my skin is actually feeling. So I just allowed my skin to absorb all the serum. 2-4 मिनट के लिए ही मैंने इसको ब्रेक दिया है, इससे ज़्यादा टाइम लगा नहीं. And I can feel that a lot of serum is absorbed, but it's a very sticky serum. मतलब आप देख सकते हो that's a very heavy loaded serum. तो अगर तो आपकी skin मेरी तरह बहुत dry है then you can work your way around it, but if your skin is very oily or if you have a very acne prone skin, then no, do not try this sheet mask. It might trigger your acne like anything. But yeah, I do feel the plumpness and the radiance जिसके बारे में this sheet mask was going on and on. I mean I was sitting over here, I was shooting the entire video. मैंने mirror में एक बार भी नहीं देखा. Just after the whole serum was absorbed by my skin, I saw myself in the mirror and I could actually see this glowing thing. I mean ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं कोई cleanup वगैरह करा कर आई हूँ. So honestly, like they are saying that it will give you radiance. Trust me, it will. I want to give you a closer look into my skin and I want you to see कि इसका जो serum है वो कितने अच्छे से मेरी skin ने absorb कर लिया है, and there's so much of sheen coming from within. So yeah, I mean I really liked this sheet mask. My verdict for this sheet mask is that it is a good sheet mask coming from L'Oreal, but it is only suitable to people whose skin is excessively dry. है ना. अगर आपकी स्किन थोड़ी नॉर्मल भी है ना तो भी, स्पेशली इन दिस वेदर, ये जो जून जुलाई का वेदर है, आई थिंक योर स्किन विल फील ओवरवेल्ड. लाइक अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे दैट विल यू रीपरचेज दिस, सो माई आंसर वुड बी येस, आई विल रीपरचेज इट, बट नॉट इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग फ्यू मंथ्स, बिकॉज अभी माई स्किन कैन नॉट हैंडल सो मच सीरम. जैसे ही विंटर्स आएगी एंड माई स्किन विल बिकम वेरी ड्राई, आई विल डेफिनेटली पिक मोर ऑफ दीज शीट मास्क एंड गिव माई स्किन द रिक्वायर्ड हाइड्रेशन. So yeah, if your skin is exceptionally dry, you have a lot of AC exposure, then this is the mask that will definitely work for you. और बहुत सारा serum extra है अंदर, you can always store it in a small extra packing and then you can use it, right? So that's what I have to say about it. So this was all from my side today about today's sheet mask product review. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below. I love shooting videos for you guys, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care and lots of love.